Dog News.
Welcome to
Chili Dog News.
Welcome to
Chili Dog News. This is Chili Dog News on the Hobo Channel.
Hobos, you're not hobos. You have a lovely home.
Well, you see, we stole this home. They were on vacation. Anyway. So, yeah.
My grandmother got me these dead flowers. She lives in California.
Did you send them to your dumpster?
No!
I mean, your lovely home.
Let's get to your breaking news.
A little girl who's 11 years old made this urgent call.
Yeah, I messed up, aren't I?
Well, we're
Just
hobos
wait it.
anyway, so. She said, as the ocean rubs against my feet, the seagulls fly above me. A snake comes and grabs my foot and pulls me to the bottom of the sea. Help me, SOS, please. Well, no one sunk my ship, so please help. That little girl went to the bottom of the ocean and turned into a mermaid at 11 years old. Please donate.
That's not real. You guys are just doing that to make money.
No.
No, we're not. Maybe so we can buy our own house like this. Because this is not ours. Oh! It's not our house.
This is Chili Dog News on the Hobo Channel.